Spoken words and thoughts can have an unimaginable power of creating your destiny. Spoken with conviction, emotion, and knowingness, they can change your deep inner feelings of unworthiness and give you the chance to clean your slate of unwanted residue. Today, we will focus on love affirmations. We will start with the meditation. Get comfortable and find a quiet place. Let's begin. I am now relaxing. I am calm and at peace. I feel a wave of relaxation moving from the top of my head to the tip of my toes. I focus on the crown of my head and feel the relaxation moving down my face, relaxing all my facial muscles. The relaxation moves down around the back of my head, relaxing my neck and my shoulders. My head, neck, and shoulders are totally relaxed. The relaxation now moves down my arms all the way to my fingertips. My arms are now totally relaxed. The relaxation moves down from my shoulders, over my torso, relaxing my upper and lower back, moving down around my waist and hips, relaxing them. My torso, back, and hips are now totally relaxed. The relaxation now moves down over my thighs, my knees, and over the calves of my legs. My thighs, knees, and legs are now totally relaxed. The wave of relaxation continues to move down over the tops of my feet and out to my toes and under the soles of my feet. My feet are totally relaxed. My entire body is totally relaxed. I am now totally relaxed and at peace. Now, take 3 deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. We will begin the love affirmations. You can simply listen to them, or you can follow along and repeat after me. Now, let's begin. I give and receive love freely and joyful. I find love everywhere I go. I love myself totally. I accept that I am infinitely loved. I am loved. I feel safe and secure with my partner. I go through life knowing how loved I am. I find romance everywhere I go. I let my partner surprise and delight me with romance. I am surrounded by love and happiness. I deserve to be loved. I deserve to have people love me for who I am. My heart is open and accepts love and happiness. I radiate love each and every day. All of my relationships are strong and healthy. My relationships are built on trust and respect. I see everything through loving eyes. I love myself, and it comes back to me tenfold. I always give out love to everybody I meet. Love surrounds me every day. I am so grateful for the love in my life. There is an abundance of love and joy in my life. I cherish myself. I cherish my relationships. I have attracted the most loving person in my life, and for that, I am externally grateful. When I look in the mirror, I see love. I encounter loving experiences on a daily basis. Every day and every way, I love myself more and more. I have a loving, healthy respect for myself. My life is full of love and wonder. Everywhere I go, I experience love. I give out love and it is returned to me multiplied. I am comfortable expressing my feelings with my partner. I am open and honest. I deserve love and romance, and I accept it now. I accept my inner beauty and feel it radiate from me. I love and accept myself completely. Love greets me around every corner. All my relationships brighten up my life. I am safe and secure in all of my relationships. I feel love in every fiber of my being. I have a wonderful, intimate relationship with my partner. I give unconditional love to everyone. Love is the foundation of all my relationships. I radiate pure, unconditional love. I am in a loving, supportive relationship. I am worthy of being loved. I welcome love with open arms. I am a magnet for my perfect love match. Love is flowing to me and through me at all times. My life is filled with love and happiness. I love and accept myself exactly as I am. I attract loving friends easily. I attract magnificent, lifelong friends into my life. I love meeting new people. My partner is romantic, thoughtful, and understanding to my needs. I radiate romantic energy. My parents accept and love me for who I am. I am so proud to belong to my loving family. I love my family with all my heart. I am excited about marriage and I am ready for it now. I am in a happy, harmonious marriage. I choose to be loving and accepting of people. I am open and affectionate with my partner. My natural romantic nature attracts romance to me like a magnet. I am proud of myself and all that I have accomplished. I respect and cherish myself and treat myself with kindness and love. I am a great person who deserves to be loved and to be happy. I'm finding it easier to love and accept myself each and every day. I am worthy of my own love and affection. I treat myself with gentle, loving kindness at all times. I am one with the power of love. I deserve to have a happy family life, and I accept it now. I manifest love into my life by thinking loving, positive thoughts. I really and truly love the person I am. I make every act an act of love, and it makes me very happy. I love life, and life loves me right back. I live my life with gratitude and love. I cherish my heart. I hold the key to my heart. My partner is a reflection of me. Myself and my romantic partner's love is unconditional. I treat my partner the way I want to be treated. My partner is loving, generous, and kind. My romantic partner is honest, loyal, and generous. My romantic partner always makes the best decisions for the greater good of our relationship. My romantic partner is intelligent, spiritually, and logically. My romantic partner is affectionate and cares for my feelings. My romantic partner always displays gratitude. My romantic partner trusts me. I look back at my life so far with love. I forgive myself and others for not getting everything I wanted or needed in the past. My romantic partner encourages me to be great. My romantic partner thinks before they speak. My romantic partner is healed from old wounds and hurt. My romantic partner is creative and allows me to be creative. My romantic partner always enjoys sex and helps me to enjoy sex. My romantic partner helps me to open roads to success. My romantic partner is always kind to me. The love, mate, companionship I seek is now mine. He or she is right and perfect for me and had been divinely selected and sent to me now. My life is full of wonderful people who are there for me whenever I need them. My partner is a reflection of me. Myself and my romantic partner's love is unconditional. I treat my partner the way I want to be treated. My partner is loving, generous, and kind. My romantic partner is honest, loyal, and generous. My romantic partner always makes the best decisions for the greater good of our relationship. My romantic partner is intelligent, spiritually, and logically. My romantic partner is affectionate and cares for my feelings. My romantic partner always displays gratitude. My romantic partner trusts me. I love everyone and everyone loves me. My apparent enemy becomes my friend, a golden link in the chain of my good. I am at peace with myself and with the whole world. I love everyone and everyone loves me. The floodgates of my good are now open. I am thankful that my trusting heart is forever embedded in lasting peace and divine ecstasy. I am thankful that all facets of my heart shine clear, strong, and in harmony. I am thankful that my heart's matrices are free from all wounds, disappointment, and disempowering experiences. I am thankful that my heart is synchronized and vastly connected with my eternal God-like being. I am thankful that my heart is open at all times to the guidance of and oneness with God's loving care. I am the expression of universal love. I am thankful that my deepest fear of being abandoned or replaced is neutralized and healed to gain serenity and tender comfort in my daily thoughts, feelings, and convictions. I am thankful that I am peaceful. I am thankful that I am in peaceful and happy relations with myself, with God, and all living beings around me. I am thankful that I am guided and supported in every living moment to coexist and to find my rightful safe, and secure place among society, friends, parents, family, authorities, teachers, and all living beings that surround me. I am thankful that I may daily feel, realize, and understand the gift of God's endless friendship and care in every facet of life. I am thankful that I am filled with courage and trust in myself, my life upon this earth planet, and this universe. I am thankful now that I am open and willing to accept love in all cells of my being. I am thankful that denial of love in all facets of my existence is dissolved, dispersed, and healed. I am thankful now that my heart is soothed of all pain and endurance of failure, suffering, and stress that I have afflicted upon myself that have cut me off from the worthiness of universal love. I am thankful that the radiance of love's healing grace allows a new beginning of trusting and feeling the strength of my heart capacity. I am one with the healing grace of universal love. I am thankful now for my willingness in every moment to recognize the higher good in all situations, destinies, and coincidences. I am thankful now that I am able to see the spark of godliness in every man and woman, regardless of their race, religion, and faults. I am thankful now that my heart is open to the feeling of graciousness and thankfulness for every living being that I meet and every day that I live. God's universe is the miracle of existence. I am thankful now that all vibrations of unworthiness that are being held in my planes of existence are healed and harmonized. I am thankful that all structures of dependence which underlie my confidence and joy of decision are filled with light and love. I am one with all that is light and love in this universe, my divine source, and all my supporting beings in the 12th plane of existence. I am thankful now that I remain free of all discordant energy in all cells of my existence and all planes of my dimensions. I am thankful for the blessings bestowed upon me, which cleanse all darkness of my inner conviction. I am thankful for the love that flows through me and frees me from the lowest darkness of my heart's structure. I am thankful that all family ties that flow through me and bind me to the destructive behavior of manipulation and exploitation are severed and healed. I thank you for the trust in universal goodness and justice that soothes my spirit and fills my actions with consideration and empathy. I am thankful that the wondrous qualities of grace and love harmonize my heart to the godliness of mankind. I am thankful that I transform my fears and doubts with the power of my knowingness of universal love. Now, everybody, take 3 deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth and repeat after me. I love myself. I love my flaws. I love my greatness. And every day that I wake up, I will give loving energy to all living beings around me. Thank you so much for listening. Stay tuned for more love. Thank you.